Hi, did you know you can add extension to your Android browser? Sorry, pardon my manner. This is Explore channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe and click the notification icon. So back to the talk, you heard me right. You can add extension to your Android browser like Chrome. Okay. To add extension to your Android browser, all you have to do is go to your Play Store. So and search for Kiwi browser. Once you search it, this is it, uninstall it and open it. So as you can see here, this is Kiwi browser. It represents Google Chrome. And on this browser, you can add as much as any extension you can add to the Chrome on your desktop. So to do that, just click this three button icon here, click extension. So as you can see, I have some extension already and click from store. So once you click from store, it will bring up the extension store for you where you can click and add anyone you want. So let's add one. So let's scroll through it and add some extension. So let's view in so we can just see it. So let's add this memory extension here. So once you click it, as you can see here, at the top right corner here, it says add to Chrome. Click add. Checking then okay. Then you are good to go. The extension has already added. So if you love this video, click like, subscribe, and click your notification icon. Thank you.